Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about pocket size PC with Intel N100 Alder-Lake N CPU. So friend, MeLE launches a fanless stick PC with Alder-Lake N processor and friend, the MeLE system is ring a mere 146 by 60 by 20 mm and weighing just 184 grams, roughly the size of modern smartphone. Runs on Intel N100 processors from Alder-Lake N series with 4 cores, all being efficient cores operating between 0.8 GHz to 3.4 GHz. Its power efficiency compensates for absence of performance cores, and it supports USB PD 3.0 protocol, allowing power input from sources with 12 volt to 23 watt and at least 24 volts, including power banks, stations, or monitors, and configuration offer 8 or 16 GB LPDDR4X, 4266 memory, and 128 or 256 GB of eMMC storage, though non-expandable, and it provides up to two USB 3.2 ports for external storage and featuring Intel UHD graphics with 24 execution units supporting two 4K 60Hz screen, and it lacks DisplayPort support and USB Type-C doesn't have DP alternate mode, and the system's passive cooling utilizes polymer cell with high heat capacity to dissipate CPU heat. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.